News Services Division of All India Radio presents Employment News.
Welcome to the program Employment News. I am Renu Kataria giving you a quick update about some of the job vacancies where you can apply. Today we will be discussing about vacancies in Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, Chandigarh, NBCC India Limited, Farakka Barrage Project, North Eastern Council Secretariat, and Directorate of Sugar and Vegetable Oils. Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research PGIMER Chandigarh was conceived in 1960 as a centre of excellence which would endeavour to develop patterns of teaching in postgraduate medical education in as many branches as possible and attempt to produce specialists in several disciplines of medicine. It was also envisaged that these specialists would spread out in the country in various medical colleges and medical institutions and impart medical education of highest standard to the students and set up nucleus of excellence in their own institutions. The PGIMER was also given the responsibility to broaden the horizons of medical knowledge by intensive research in the field of health. Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research was mandated to provide high-quality patient care, attain self-sufficiency in postgraduate medical education, and to meet the country's need for highly qualified medical teachers in all medical and surgical disciplines, provide educational facilities for the training of personnel in all important branches of health activity, and undertake basic community-based research. The mission of PGI is service to the community, care of the needy and research for the good of all. PGIMER Chandigarh invites online applications from Indian nationals for filling up 3 posts of Junior Engineer Civil and 4 posts of Junior Engineer Electrical on regular basis. Closing date for online registration and submission of online applications is 8th May 2021. Candidates willing to apply may visit the Institute's website, that is www.pgimer.edu.in, recruitment link at home page for detailed guidelines or information, number of posts, eligibility criteria, etc. All subsequent corrigendum or addendum or updates will be uploaded on the Institute's website only. NBCC India Limited is a premier Government of India Navratna public sector enterprise under the aegis of Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. The company posted a profit of Rs 241.28 crores, while its total income is Rs 5,210.33 crores during financial year 2019-20. Having an immense strength in the construction sector, NBCC has a pan-India as well as global presence. Certified with ISO 9001-2015 from the Bureau of Indian Standards in respect of project management consultancy and execution of the projects, the company's present area of operations are characterized into 3 main segments, that is project management consultancy including redevelopment, real estate development, and EPC contracting. For its ambitious expansion plan both in India and overseas, the company requires dynamic and result-oriented professionals on regular basis who are passionate to excel and take the organization to new heights. 1 post of Additional General Manager Finance, 2 posts of Deputy General Manager Engineering Civil, 1 post of Project Manager Civil, 1 post of Deputy Project Manager Civil, 2 posts of Senior Project Executive Electrical, 1 post of Assistant Manager HRM, 1 post of Senior Stenographer, and 3 posts of Office Assistant Stenographer. Candidates are required to read the instructions mentioned, general instructions on how to apply document available on the online portal before filling up the online application form. Relevant link for online application is available under the head Career within Human Resources on NBCC website www.nbccindia.com. Final online submission of application will be open till 1700 hours on 30th April 2021. Applications are invited for filling up 2 posts of Section Officer by deputation including short-term contract In the Farakka Barrage project, District Murshidabad, West Bengal, a subordinate office under the administrative control of Ministry of Jal Shakti, Department of Water Resources, River Development and Ganga Rejuvenation. Brief job responsibilities. Section officer has to perform duties as directed by seniors. Draft laws, put up notes, prepare summaries, manage the relevant records, reply to letters, communicate with the other departments, etc. Section is the head of concerned section to supervise the administrative, accounts and confidential matters. Applications with full particulars of the applicant should reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of issue of this circular or publication of this advertisement in Employment News, whichever is later. All applications will be treated in strict confidence. Those from government and public sector should apply through proper channel. Applications without full details as asked for are liable to be rejected. Details of advertisement and application forms can also be downloaded from the Ministry's website mowr.gov.in. The North Eastern Council is the nodal agency for the economic and social development of the Northeastern region, which consists of the 8 states of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Sikkim and Tripura. The Northeastern Council was constituted in 1971 by an Act of Parliament. The constitution of the Council has marked the beginning of a new chapter of concerted and planned endeavour for the rapid development of the region. Over the last 35 years, NEC has been instrumental in setting in motion a new economic endeavour aimed at removing the basic handicaps that stood in the way of normal development of the region and has ushered in an era of new hope in this backward area full of great potentialities. The North Eastern Council Secretariat is looking for services of suitable officers for filling up one post of Advisor Health on deputation, including short-term contract basis, and one post of statistician on deputation basis as per the provisions of recruitment rules. Pay and other terms and conditions of deputation will be regulated in accordance with DOPT's ONM dated 17th June 2010 as amended from time to time. Cadre authorities or head of departments are requested to forward applications of eligible and willing candidates whose services can be spared on deputation basis immediately so as to reach the concerned authority within 60 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Details of post, eligibility criteria, job requirement, age limit, qualifications and experience required for the post are indicated in Annexure 1. For application forms or curriculum vitae pro forma and other necessary details, the candidates are advised to visit and download from the Northeastern Council Secretariat website necouncil.gov.in. Applications are invited from the eligible officers for filling up 3 vacancies of Accounts and Statistical Officer, Directorate of Sugar and Vegetable Oils, Department of Food and Public Distribution, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution by deputation including short-term contract. Details of the post, eligibility conditions, etc. may be accessed from the department's website www.dfpd.nic.in. Applications of only such officers or candidates will be considered as are routed through proper channel. Applications of suitable and eligible officers and who can be spared immediately in the event of selection may be sent directly to the concerned authority within a period of 60 days from the date of issue or publication of this advertisement in Employment News. Information about these vacancies has been published in Employment News. There are more vacancies in the journal. If you wish to read about these employment opportunities in greater detail and more, you may refer to the job journal titled Employment News for Information in English, Rozgar Samachar for Information in Hindi and Rozgar Samachar for Information in Urdu. It is published by the Publications Division, Ministry of Information and Broadcasting and made available on every Saturday. With this, we come to the end of this program. We will meet again tomorrow at 4:20 p.m.
You were listening to Employment News. This program was produced and presented by the News Services Division of All India Radio. You can listen to it on a mobile app, News on AIR. This program is also available on our website, newsonair.com. You may email your opinion about this program at airnsdtalks@gmail.com with Employment News as subject.